Alright, good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to all the channels. I'm happy to see everybody, and then I hope everybody is having a good weekend. So, today it's not gonna be about Dollar General and loading in because, as you can see, my baby is parked here. Today, I'm gonna be working on this truck. I mean, SUV. It is it's a 2016 Acura Mdx, and then I'm gonna be replacing this water stripping seal. So you can see it's all gone. So I called Acura. They asked me if they have to replace it. They asking me how much they said $250 just to replace this one. The part only the part I was told the part was gonna cost 160 plus taxes, and then to replace it, so almost $100 just to replace it. So what happened is when it rained and the water get inside, and then you guys know we have a lot of electrical stuff inside there, so it's not good. So we need to go ahead and replace it. So I went on and bought some Amazon. If you have a Prime Amazon, that's where I got it from. So you guys can see I got 12 of them at the price of $50. So I'm gonna try to work on it myself. See if I can get it down and not get ripped off by the dealership. Honda is expensive to fix, so I understand. Come with luxury. So I think what I need to do first. So this is a good thing with Honda, the Acura. So I'm gonna put the window down. See, just pressing like this, all the window went down. So if we come closer, you guys see what I'm talking about. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I have not done this before, but we're gonna do that together. So the first thing to do, I don't know if you guys can see, first thing we're gonna do is to get the one we just get from Amazon. Comes into, I ordered that on, I think it was Wednesday. It came on Thursday, but since I didn't have time, I was on the road. So I'm gonna open it up before I start taking this one out. Oh, it comes with pen. Before I start taking this one off, I'm gonna try first to make sure everything matches. Yeah, it looks like everything matches. There's a slightly different. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Alright. Anyway, I'll try. Whew. So I'm gonna go ahead. Okay. Let me see what we got here. We don't have anything here. So it looks like we got a screw there. We're gonna go ahead, take that screw out. I got this. So this should do the job. Yep. This did do the job. That one came off. Now I'm gonna try and clean it off now. Start from here. I don't wanna bend it just in case the new one doesn't work. Okay, wow, just came off. So I didn't bend it. So just in case, see it came. So what I'm gonna see, I'm gonna make sure they all matches. So a little bit off, but it should be fine. Okay, you can. I think you can push them over. Well, that's good. So let's go ahead, pull this one. Okay. This is going a little bit too easy. It should be good, but I just want to double check, make sure. Okay. So this one here is going very too easy. What? My thing is, alright, I'm gonna start it here. I know this is another thing. This is not original. So I'm not expecting to be super good, but I don't want it to be super easy too. Okay. It's kind of easy. It's being so easy to pull it off. So I'm gonna go ahead. Push a little bit like this. You see? Okay. I believe we're good. Okay, like I was saying, this is not the original, so this is an aftermarket, so it's not gonna be super the same. When I get $150, then I'm gonna go to Acura. Get the original one. So far, then I'm gonna have to put this screw. Okay. This. There we go. There we go, guys. We did it. All right. We're gonna put the window up. See what we did. If we got it right.